Number 13. A 1,200 pesos item is discounted by 25%. What is the new price? A. 900, B. 850, C. 1,000, D. 950. Solution. So, just multiply. Ato lang i-multiply ang 1,200 sa 0.75. Yan ang 0.75 man atong gi-multiply sa 1, 2. Kay, ibutan nato nga ang 1,200 man na siyang 100% na price. Kuhaan siya og 25% nga discount. So, ang nabili niya is 100 minus 25 is equal to 75%. So, kung i-compute nato ang new price, i-multiply nato si 0.75 or si 75%. No? So, 1,200 times 0.75 is equal to 900. The answer for this number is letter A. Number 14. A grocery item cost 500 pesos last year and now costs 550. What is the percentage change due to inflation? A. 10%, B. 8%, C. 9%, D. 11%. Solution. Okay, so the new price is 550 minus the old price 500 divided by the old price 500 times 100, and that is equal to 10%. The answer is letter A. Number 15. A customer pays 1,120 pesos for a product inclusive of 12% VAT. What is the base price before VAT? A. 1,000, B. 1,050, C. 1,020, D. 1,040. Solution. Okay, 1,120 divided by 1.12 is equal to 1,000. Okay, so mo na siya ang formula nga igamit nato in finding the base price before VAT.